everybody. So in case you didn't know, essential oils are so easy and so much fun to cook with. There's all kinds of essential oils you can use. I mean, I've got probably 15 here that we keep in the cabinet, maybe even 20. But there are some of them that are particularly, you need to be a little careful when you're going to use them, such as basil, cinnamon, thyme, marjoram, or cassia, but in particular, oregano. Now, oregano is a lot of fun to cook with, especially in Italian meals, but you need to remember that with like all essential oils, a little bit goes a long way. And so when you're cooking specifically with oregano, you need to be super careful because it is considered one of the hot oils. And so you don't want to, just take a drip of it while you're tasting your food or whatever. So what I would recommend is taking a teaspoon, dropping some regular olive oil in it, and then adding a 1 drop max with essential oil. Now for a pot this size, 1 drop of oregano, way too much. It's more like a pot this size can handle a drop of oregano. So use either a toothpick and dip it right there into the top of it and then swirl it into your sauce and then taste your sauce and see if it's about right. Or, well, that's the only way I would do that. Oregano is fantastic. It's got so many benefits when you're cooking. Just remember that a little bit goes a long way. And so don't be afraid to use these oils to cook with. They are a lot of fun and you can experiment with different flavoring, even lavender, or we use lavender with chocolate and things like that. So it's a lot of fun. So don't be afraid. Go ahead and give them a try. Just remember that dried herbs don't call for the same amount as essential oils. So just be very conservative with how much oil you use. All right, have a good one. Bye.